If you are an architect planning and designing a building, I understand the emotion. It's like a white paper when you started. Obviously, you are very possessive and you are very keen to get the right contractor and an architect who can design, develop the landscape for you. I share a lot of such stories where I work with who's of who kind of architect in India and in US. So if you are looking for a landscape development, I would love to be a part of your storytelling and bring the emotion of landscape for your building. My name is Pradeep Kupswamy. I'm a landscape architect by profession and I've been managing landscape gardens for over 25 years, developed many trophy landscapes and many celebrity houses and industries in India. I would love to be a part of your project and your team. Let us meet over a coffee and discuss your requirement and see how I can enhance the beauty and bring more meaning for a sustainable landscape. See you guys.